and fat. Examples: Greek yogurt ranch dressing, homemade tomato sauce, avocado mayo. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed these healthy cooking hacks as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. We covered everything from calorie-cutting tricks to time-saving meal prep ideas and flavorful ingredient swaps. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips and recipes. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious content coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking.